If you want to find more of my Maths YouTube videos quickly and easily, visit my website, click on the link for Math videos at the top of the home page, scroll down for the section of Maths you need, then click on the link for that playlist. Adding and subtracting is a bit trickier. There are two ways of doing this. I'm going to show you my preferred way first, but I know a lot of people like the other version, so I'm going to show you both. So starting with this one, we're going to add them together, but to start with, we're going to convert both to ordinary numbers, then add them together, and then convert them back. So 5.1 times 10 to the power of 3 will be the same as 5.1 times by 1000. Note you'll have the same number of zeros as you do powers. So that's 5,100. Now we take the second one, 6.5 times by 10,000. And again, notice that the number of zeros you're multiplying by will be however many are in the power of 10. So that's 65,000. Now we add them together, and that's 70,100. And then we convert that to standard form. So we get the decimal point after the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 7.01 times 10 to the power of 4. And just to take you through that again, here's the subtraction one. We're going to start by converting the numbers to ordinary numbers. 7.6 times 10 to the power of 5 is the same as 7.6 times 100,000. That's 760,000. 8 times 10 to the power of 3 is the same as 8 times 1,000, and that's 8,000. Now we subtract. 760,000 take away 8,000 leaves 752,000. Now we convert that to standard form. We move the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 7.52 times 10 to the power of 5. I'm going to do the same calculations, but using the other method. Some schools teach this method, so it's a good idea to understand how it works, just in case. We need to make the powers the same. So we have 5.1 times 10 to the power of 3, add 6.5 times 10 to the power of 4. I always make them the same as whatever the bigger one is. So 6.5 times 10 to the power of 4 will stay the same, but I need to change that other one so that that is also times 10 to the power of 4. 5.1, to get that so that I need to convert it using a power of 4, I have to divide it by 10 again, so that becomes 0.51. So I can put that back into my calculation, and now I just take the first numbers and add them together. 0.51 add 6.5, and that's 7.01. So there's the first part of my answer. Now when you're adding numbers that have the same base and the same power, in this way we don't add those powers of 4 together, we just put them as they are with the rest of the answer. So the answer is 7.01 times 10 to the power of 4. Here we have a subtraction. 7.6 times 10 to the power of 5, subtract 8 times 10 to the power of 3. First of all, we need to make the powers of 10 the same. The biggest one has a power of 5, so I'm going to change the second one from a power of 3 to a power of 5. So with that 8, I need to divide it by 10 twice, so that I have to convert it using a power of 5. So I'm going to divide it by 10 once, 0.8, divide it by 10 again, 0.08. So now I can put that back into my calculation. Now I just use the first two numbers in my subtraction. 7.6 take away 0.08, which is 7.52. And because my powers of 10 are the same, I just add those into the answer. 7.52 times 10 to the power of 5. If you found this video helpful, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.